Social Civilizational Diagnostics with Professor Avram Ehrlich about knowledge sharing.
Knowledge sharing is about the most important thing that humans can do for one another. To indicate and to be the censor and to be the teller and the partner and the eyes and the guards and the responsibility for one another. That is what the group is, a larger consciousness where information can be shared and communication can be refined and codes can be developed so that information and that one can look after the other. Knowledge sharing is really basic to the human condition. And when one envisages the larger state of the human condition and the instruments that we have for knowledge sharing and where that should all come together, how should one share knowledge in the 21st century? Well, it's being done through electricity and through the quantum. It's being done through the most sophisticated ways that we know. And we also know that there are different layers of knowledge sharing, slower and faster. There is knowledge chemical, and there's biological, and there's through osmosis. And there's the question is, if humanity knows how to optimize knowledge sharing, then surely it should deploy it for its most critical requirements, which is essentially its betterment and its better organization. So knowledge sharing, I think, sits at the very foundation of new theology. It is not only knowledge sharing, but knowledge sharing towards problem solving and towards group, towards individual manifestation of the individual imagination and the group imagination. So the question is how to share knowledge and how to structure the knowledge in small sized packages which can be deployed towards practical purposes. So that's a methodology in its own. And in order to fully manage this methodology, there's a component which is missing, and that is the ability to measure micro contributions towards targets. Human measurement. It's like there is a measurement of time and there is a measurement of space, of meters, of mass, of weight, of volume. What about the measurement, human measurement? That's complicated. So I add human measurement towards the target, and that's easier. And to create a structure of value, essential value of a person's abilities, knowledge, instruments, influence, and attributes, its ability towards a target. One's capacity towards the target. The capacity is the capacity to take different values and bring them together to solve or to deal or to manifest a target. And magnitude of a value and capacity towards a target. How can one's thinking take idea, work with an idea with other people, and then create a structure which has an impact. So, measuring human knowledge sharing, encouragement, the nuance through which knowledge is shared amongst the human species, these will be this infrastructure of 21st century theology.